Are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish? Do you want to improve your gut health and feel better overall? Then you need to check out these 5 foods that can flush toxins from your body like nobody's business. From fermented foods to fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome to our video on the top 5 foods that can flush toxins from your body. If you're looking to improve your gut health and feel better overall, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of fermented foods and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, and how they can help you achieve optimal gut health. We'll also be sharing some tips on how to incorporate these foods into your diet, so you can start feeling the benefits right away. But first, let's talk about why gut health is so important. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in your overall health and well-being? That's right, your gut is like a second brain, and it's responsible for everything from digestion to immune function. So, if you're not taking care of your gut, you're not taking care of your health. That's where these 5 foods come in. By incorporating them into your diet, you'll be giving your gut the support it needs to function at its best. So, without further ado, let's dive in and take a closer look at these amazing foods. 1. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. Probiotics can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. In addition to probiotics, yogurt is also rich in calcium, a mineral necessary for healthy teeth and bones. Just 1 cup of yogurt provides 49% of your daily calcium needs. It's also high in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and riboflavin, both of which may protect against heart disease and certain neural tube birth defects. 123. 1 cup of yogurt also provides 28% of your daily phosphorus, 10% for magnesium, and 12% for potassium. These minerals are essential for several biological processes, such as regulating blood pressure, metabolism, and bone health too. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that is similar to yogurt. It is also rich in probiotics and can help improve gut health. Kefir grains contain up to 61 strains of bacteria and yeasts, making them a very rich and diverse probiotic source, though this diversity may vary. These microorganisms may influence health in numerous ways, aiding digestion, weight management, and mental health. Kefir is also a rich source of calcium, protein, and B vitamins. 1 cup of low-fat kefir contains 24% of the daily value (DV) of calcium, 9 grams of protein, 29% of the DV of vitamin B12, 25% of the DV of riboflavin, B2, and 20% of the DV of phosphorus. Kefir also contains a wide variety of bioactive compounds, including organic acids and peptides that contribute to its health benefits. 3. Kimchi is a Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, such as cabbage and radish. It is a great source of probiotics and can help improve digestion. Kimchi is also nutrient-dense and contains vitamins A and C, at least 10 different minerals, and over 34 amino acids. The fermentation process may develop additional nutrients that are more easily absorbed by your body. Kimchi is also rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants include beta-carotene, vitamin C, and quercetin. Kimchi has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. 4. Bananas are a great source of prebiotics, which are types of fiber that feed your friendly gut bacteria, leading to all sorts of benefits. Prebiotics allow your gut bacteria to produce nutrients for your colon cells, which leads to a healthier digestive system. Some of these nutrients include short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These fatty acids can be absorbed into your bloodstream and improve metabolic health. Bananas are also rich in fiber. Fiber in general helps with regularity and maintaining digestive health. Bananas contain soluble fiber and another type of fiber called prebiotics. Both of these types of fiber are especially helpful in supporting good bacteria in your gut to thrive, which keeps your digestive system working smoothly and promotes overall health. In addition to fiber and prebiotics, bananas are also rich in vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin B6 is important for brain development and function. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Overall, bananas are a nutritious and delicious fruit that can help promote good gut health and overall well-being. Try incorporating them into your diet in creative ways, such as adding them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt bowls. 5. Whole grains are a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Here are some of the benefits of consuming whole grains. Rich in fiber. Whole grains are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Lower risk of heart disease. Consuming whole grains has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. This is because they contain antioxidants, phytoestrogens, and other nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Eating whole grains has also been associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This is because they have a lower glycemic index than refined grains, which means they cause a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Weight management. Whole grains can help with weight management because they are more filling than refined grains. This means you are likely to eat less and feel fuller for longer after consuming them. Improved gut health. Whole grains are a good source of prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can help improve gut health and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Some ways to incorporate whole grains into your diet include oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great breakfast option that is high in fiber and can help keep you full throughout the morning. Brown rice. Brown rice is a nutritious alternative to white rice and can be used in a variety of dishes. Quinoa. Quinoa is a versatile grain that can be used in salads, soups, and other dishes. It's important to note that if you have celiac disease or a gluten intolerance, you should avoid consuming grains that contain gluten, such as wheat, barley, and rye. Instead, opt for gluten-free whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. I hope the information I provided was helpful. Remember, everyone's gut is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have any concerns about your gut health, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Wow, we explored a lot today about the fascinating and powerful world of gut health. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn with me. Remember, every small step you take towards nurturing your gut is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So be kind to yourself, prioritize your well-being, and don't hesitate to explore resources and seek professional guidance if needed. Remember, your gut is your partner in health, so treat it with love and respect. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your amazing guts.